Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online Quran lesson. Dear student, in this lesson we will learn the dua of eating the food. Let's start. Repeat after me. When you eating the food, you must need to read this dua. Let's start. Repeat after me. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. And when you finishing the food, you must read this dua. Let's start. Alhamdulillahil ghazi at'amana wa saqana waj'alana muslimin. Alhamdulillahillazi at'amana wa saqana waj'alana muslimin. Alhamdulillahillazi at'amana wa saqana waj'alana muslimin. Thanks a lot. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.